Welcome to our product showcase featuring the Tooltos 50A Jewelry Pulse Spot Welder, the ultimate solution for fast and precise welding of precious metals, platinum, gold, silver, etc. Crafted for the discerning jewelry maker. Connect the welding clamp to the negative output terminal. Clamp tungsten needle on welding base. Connect the welding base to the positive output terminal. Connect the foot pedal. Turn on the power, and then turn on the power switch. Be careful to check for voltage matching. Adjust the power knob, divided into coarse and fine adjustments. Easily adjust the output power according to the size of the wire. Clamp the workpiece with welding and align the workpiece interface with the tungsten needle. Depress the foot switch with your foot. Remove foot. Spot welding is complete. Utilizing the plasma high-frequency discharge principle, this welder forms a molten pool in the metal weld instantly, resulting in seamless welding points and sturdy joints. This welder is compact yet powerful. Plus, it comes complete with essential accessories including a foot switch, power cable, welding clip, tungsten needle, and tungsten needle holder.